Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, and in this video I have some pretty interesting things to tell you about my 3D printer and about some upcoming project that I will be doing. Now in this video I will be tearing down my old 3D printer, which is this one. Now if you guys have followed my channel, have watched my videos, you will know that this is actually the third version of my 3D printer, and I'm tearing down this also because I'm making a new one now. And in my previous video I have shown you how to make a 3D printer, but I was not able to complete that series because I lost some videos due to my laptop was broken. But in this upcoming videos I will be making a new 3D printer, and you will be able to watch all the video series for how to make that 3D printer yourself. And also I will be tearing this down in this video, and I will be salvaging some parts from this 3D printer to make my new 3D printer. Now I will only be using the motors and the power supplies and also the boards from this printer to make my new 3D printer, but everything else will be actually left unused. So then I decided, why not to make another cheaper 3D printer, even cheaper than this one. Now this 3D printer can cost around $100 or $110 to build. So I'm thinking to make another 3D printer which is even cheaper using this stepper motor. Now this is a very small 3D printer, but it's very powerful. It has a high torque. While this stepper motors cost the NEMA 70s costs around this one. It costs around $10 to $12, but this one costs only around $1. So you can see the huge price difference, and this whole 3D printer can cost around $110 to build. And with this motor, just using this motor, you will be able to reduce the price to up to $30. So you can see the huge price difference here. So we will be making a 3D printer using these motors in my upcoming videos. But first of all, I will show you how to do the 3D printer that I will be doing in my next video. Now the 3D printer that I will be doing is actually a modified version of the Prusa i3 Mark II version. I will be modifying this, and you can see I have already removed the extruder motor because I was testing it in my new extruder. Now this will be the new extruder for my motor. It will be kind of a direct drive. In the older one I was using the Bowden extruder, but then I had the Bowden extruder at home which I was not using, so I have modified the Prusa i2 Mark II extruder into a modified version which uses the Bowden extruder in the design itself. So I have modified this design, and I will be sharing the STL files for this also. If you want to make this kind of extruder also, you can see this one is very powerful. And I have also designed another fun extracting a cooling fan model here compared to the original one from the Prusa i3. So I have modified this also, so it will be generally a modified version of the Prusa i3 Mark II version. And I will be tearing down this 3D printer in this video, and then I will explain to you what I will be doing next. So let's just tear this down. In this 3D printer, I was using the ramp 1.4, but in my next one, I'm hoping to change it to ramp 1.7, which should 1.6, which should be better than this. So this is my old extruder and this will be my new extruder. Can see the huge difference here. This one will be more stable also because it has some weight in it, and this one was can see it was not very good aligned. It was not very well aligned, and the cooling part also I had to glue it in the this. So we don't need this, and but we will be needing the hot end. Frame, and we will not be needing anything from this now. And I think I'll keep this frame for the next 3D printer. I will do some modification in this, but I think I will keep that for the new for the 3D printer with these motors. So yes, that will be it for this video. So now what I will do next, don't worry if you guys are waiting for the DIY DJI Tailor clone that I'm doing with the Arduino. I will be posting that on Tuesdays. So what I will do now, I will alternate things. On Saturdays I will be building this 3D printer, and on Tuesday I will be doing the DJI Tailor cloning videos. And also I think I have got some emails and some messages from Instagram and all, and I have got some many emails for the Flutter tutorials that I was doing. So then I was thinking that on Sundays and Thursdays I will be doing some programming tutorials for Flutter. So if you guys are interested in building mobile apps using Flutter, Android Studio and all, you can follow that videos also. But for the DIY things, the electronics, mechanical part, everything will be on Tuesdays and Saturdays. So stay tuned for that videos also, guys. And thank you guys for watching. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, you can do so for the upcoming videos, and you can also check my other videos in my channel if you guys like these stuffs. And like these videos if you have appreciated what I will be doing. And so see you in my next videos, guys.